Welcome, MACT viewers. This is MACT, and we have the MACT Garage oil testing series, and we have done the winners, and we have done the top 3 off-the-shelf oils, but now we're going to cover the losers. Yes, what are the oils you should avoid putting in your engine in order to make sure that you have the best oil in your engine based on virgin testing numbers that we got back from the lab. That's right, we're using data. We're not going by opinion. We are just counting the numbers and covering what the anti-wear additives are in the oils to determine the top running ones. And that is irregardless of price or anything else. So we're going to go ahead and summarize the worst 3 ones that you could put in your engine. And these are all 5W20 full synthetic oils that were tested, and the bottom of the barrel is coming at you, folks. This is what you should avoid putting in your engine if you value your engine, but that's my opinion. I don't use them. I have used them, but again, I think it's nothing more than marketing. That's the only reason they're so popular. But if you actually look at the data, you'll understand what I'm saying. That, hey, marketing does not mean good oil. It just means good marketing. So, did we bite on it? I think all of us have. But here's the truth. In reality, with the testing of the anti-wear on these oils, and I think you all will be extremely surprised at who is covering the bottom of the barrel for oils that we are putting in our engines. So, starting at 3rd from the bottom, we have the Mobile One Extended Performance Oil. That thing ranks in at $8.98 a quart. Yes, that's pretty expensive stuff. And then we got 2nd from the bottom, which is the Motorcraft Synthetic. Yes, Motorcraft. 2nd from the bottom, folks. And that definitely isn't good for the Motorcraft. You know, you all buying that stuff. Holy cow. And then at the very bottom is Mobile One Synthetic Oil, ringing in at $7.86 or $7.68 a quart. I'm sorry, didn't have my glasses on. Yeah, 2 Mobile One oils at the bottom of the barrel along with a Motorcraft. These things came in at numbers that were unbelievable. As far as anti-wear. And starting from the 3rd, we got the Extended Performance at a cumulative total of 1,426 parts per million anti-wear additives, and the Motorcraft had 1,423 cumulative anti-wear additives, and the Mobile One had 1,380. Yeah, not good numbers considering the O'Reilly, which costs under $6 a quart, came in at $16.91. Yeah, a lot better, and it's not a very well-known oil, is it? So these bottom of the barrel 3 oils are definitely not something you want to spend a lot of money on when you can buy much better oils for a lesser price. That is the cumulative end of this as far as the oil testing series. So now you know what the dredges of the bottom are, and you might want to rethink what your choice of oils are, or maybe it served you well and you're just going to keep using it. I'm just leading you to the oil barrel. I'm not making you drink it. So that is up to you to decide what works best for you. I provide the information. You make the decision. And this is MACT from MACT Garage Oil Testing Series, and that is the bottom of the barrel that we got here today. Make sure you, as far as watching these YT videos, subscribe, ring the bell, get notified when you get new ones. Also, SoundCloud, I get podcasts up for you to listen to these videos while you're driving. That's right, podcasts, and listen to me while you're driving. And then we also have MACTFORDEDGE Facebook group. Join the Facebook group. It is the ever-growing, fastest-growing, and soon-to-be largest Ford Edge Facebook group on Facebook. Not much longer, we'll be at the top. But either way, you want to make sure that you have a great day, because my feet hit the ground today and I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too. And that being said, we have the Band of One playing some great music, and I think he even sells stickers. You might want to check him out. and asking for a sticker. But we also have Mercy Grill to give in a couple one-liners and maybe just a little bit of bonus footage at the end. You all have a great day.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Grill production.